Prince, how are you doing? Where's your sister, Princess? Oh, there she is. Princess, come on. Are you gonna come out? Oh, this is the only time you can usually get a picture of our livestock. It's in the evening. Anyways, here's a picture of the ranch. Oh, and there's our ranch dressing. No ranch dressing. And this is my garden that keeps the rain. It's not really a rain break. A rain soaker upper thing. And then T made these big planter boxes, and there's my Paley's hair. Everybody needs that. And then this is where they keep the other farm animals. And this is the rest of our farm. Oh, that's the golf course over there. Okay, now, oops, there's my farm animals. Looking for their food. Hey, where's our food? Okay.